Use the sidebar to access the Elements tools from here. Select Side Rails. To create a side rail design, select the Create New button. Work through the fields shown on the screen to complete a side rail design. Firstly, a description must be entered in order to complete the calculation. Using the span type option, select from a list of 3 different span types. Double span and double span unequal. You should select this option if rails are to have continuity over one internal support. Double span can also be used if you are looking to have rails supplied in single span lengths and then sleeved on site. Single span. This can be used if you are restricted to installing rails between columns, or where rails have no continuity over an internal support. Enter the rail span and rail centers. The deflection limit is automatically populated from your defaults, but can be manually overwritten if required. In the cladding section, select either vertical or horizontally laid cladding as appropriate, and if you want to use multi-beam or multi-channel rails. When selecting horizontally laid cladding, you also need to select the correct loading pattern. In the loading section, you can use building face and building zone drop-downs to auto-populate wind load values based on the wind load analysis carried out previously. Once the wind load is populated, click Apply to run the calculation. The lightest pass section and the guidance for the anti-sag system will be displayed on the right side of the screen, along with applied loads and capacities and deflection information. To change the section, navigate to the All Sections tab. The Past Sections toggle can be toggled off to display all sections. Another section can be selected from the list. This will then appear on the selected section screen and save to the calculation. You can use the sidebar to quick print the report if just running a single calculation. If you are running multiple calculations, you will see the calculations add to the Publish tab. See our How to Create and Publish a Report video for more information on this. The functions at the top of the left screen allow the user to create a new calculation, delete the current calculation, or copy a calculation. If we copy the calculation seen here, it will add copy to the description. You can then update the calculation as required. For example, if we need a calculation for the same geometry, just another wind load, we can use the copy function to make this quicker. Click the back button to return to the main side rail screen where all calculations that have been run can be seen, along with the selected section, Date Created and Date Modified.